Hi, Taylor here with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and today we're going to be talking about PMI Dual-Tack Pallet Tape. This is a great double-sided platen adhesive to use on your pallets instead of spray tack or liquid glue. To use the adhesive, go ahead and line it up at the top of your platen, press it down, then just roll it out. You want to cut it right at the edge and kind of lay it down softly. This way, when we go back over it, we can take our roll and just kind of smooth out all the air bubbles like this. If you get a particularly bad section somewhere, you can always just lift it up and then smooth it back down again. Once it's down, go ahead, take the corner and just peel back the protective layer, and you're going to expose the double-sided adhesive. If for some reason you have like a little air pocket there or something, you just take your knife, kind of poke a couple holes, and just press it out with your finger. Now you are ready to print. After a while, lint is going to start building up on here and the tackiness is going to go away. That is okay. Just go ahead and take a squirt gun with some water, spray it on your platen, take a sponge, and you can just sort of start wiping away all of this lint. You just wipe it right off. After you're done spraying with water and removing the lint, quickly run it under your flash unit to reactivate the adhesive. After you've printed your last shirt, cleanup is easy. Just grab a corner and pull. Comes clean every single time. Avoid the mess and make cleanup easy with this dual tape platen adhesive. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more great tech tips.